In this short guide, how to publish a test to the public, control what you collect from every visitor, and see the leads you capture.
Free sample tests are what a new user sees before they belong to any organization. Rather than landing on an empty dashboard, they get something to actually try. Choose which test appears for each type, hide a type completely, or create a sample where one does not exist yet.
Public tests take that further. Pick any test and make it publicly available to anyone, with no login required. Give the tile your own heading and description, enable AI Buddy for the people ticking it, and choose the color and the icon. Then decide what you collect: name, email, phone number, and whether to verify that email with a one-time code. And finally, the call to action. After somebody finishes the test, show them a message in a button that sends them wherever you want them to go. It is a strong lead generation tool, and a very direct way to show people what your platform can do. You can run one public test per type, and for custom and adaptive tests you can run several at once to showcase different languages.
Every person who takes a public test lands here with their result and their contact details, and verified email addresses are marked as such. We have blurred the real data for this video. You can edit the public landing page itself, heading, subtitle, body copy, gradient colors, and set one global call to action that applies to every public test, so you are not editing them one at a time. It is the fastest way to keep your messaging consistent across everything you publish.
And that is public tests in PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.